Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jayla. So today we're going to be doing another wig install from start to finish. I purchased this wig from Miss Coco Hair. I just opened up the package. This is the satin bag that comes with it. This is not my first time ever doing a Miss Coco wig install. So they always send this cute pink silk bag to store your wigs in. In this silk bag, I got a wig melt band, 2 wig caps. It's in a tan color. 2 clips. They always come through with the clips. No other wig company like that I've purchased a wig from has clips in it. I really do love clips like this. It's so much easier to install your wigs when you have these clips. They gave me some bobby pins, which is nice. Love that for me. And then just a thank you / how to take care of your wig card. So that's all in the satin bag. This is what the wig looks like. I got a 13x4 lace front wig, and it's a highlighted wig, but it says with bangs. I don't remember it saying bangs when I purchased it, but it's 22 inches. We're just gonna go ahead and unbox this and take this out because I hope it ain't bangs. This is how the hair comes right out of the plastic bag. The smell isn't awful. It smells like normal hair. It's not a bad smell. So I'm taking out the fishnet now. This is what the wig looks like. I am so in love. Oh, this is what the lace looks like. They say it came with bangs, but I think this is just baby hair. So this is how the wig looks on me. I'm putting her to the front. Now this giving me Beyonce 2006. I'm just playing. But listen, yeah, so this is what it looks like off rip. Looks so pretty. Oh, I love it. We're about to get ready to prep this wig for the install. So I am about to go ahead, bleach, wash this unit, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's get started. So to bleach the knots, I'm taking this BW2 powder and the 40 volume developer. I'm going to be mixing that together so that we can get a toothpaste consistency.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the cup green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
This is the consistency that you want. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too runny. So that's perfectly fine. That's why I said toothpaste consistency. I'm taking the Got To Be glue spray, and I'm going to be spraying it on the edge of this wig just to lay down the baby hairs and the flyaways and the hair in general, so the bleach won't get in contact with the actual hair. So I believe it's easier for me to lay the bleach on my knots this way. I'm just taking the hair, flipping it upside down on the wig head, and I'm going to be putting the mixture from the back of the lace to the front. The knots will bleach quicker than the back part of the lace. The hairs is on the back. The knots is on the back.
Yeah, just like you will, come through and chill, just say you will. All night, say it. I want you all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want you all night.
Now I'm just rinsing the mixture off of the lace. Now I didn't have the purple shampoo that you're supposed to use, so I mean it didn't make a big difference. So I still shampooed it and conditioned it. And the shampoo that I used was the Carol's Daughter shampoo. You're gonna see it in a second. And then I used the silicone mix to make sure there's no tangles, or just make sure the hair is at its healthiest state, so it won't be a lot of shedding, stuff like that. I put the wig in this hoodie dryer so it can dry, but I still ended up blow drying it just so we can get it semi straight because it still had those waves in there. Me personally, sometimes I like to go in and do certain things to the wig before putting it on my head. So I just wanted to make sure the back was flat. So I'm just sectioning out the back part because I was thinking about doing the side part at this point. And that's me hot combing it so it can be flat, so no tracks won't be showing. Even though after I did this, I still had forgot that I was supposed to pluck the wig. Y'all, this particular day was so chaotic for me. But I did this, and then I plucked the wig, and then I still made sure, you know, the back was still flat. So it won't be any track showing. So this wig really didn't need that much plucking. I just wanted to go over it a little bit. Yeah, I don't know where my mind was, but I totally forgot I had to pluck the wig. So here's me plucking it. I'm going to be taking this Black Radiance powder and I'm going to be putting that on the lace just so it can match my skin complexion, so I won't have any problems there. Also, me personally, I don't really like to do the ball cap method. I think it's kind of pointless because I'm the type of wig wearer that likes to take off her wigs at night, so I just thought it was pointless. But right now, I'm just putting the wig on my head, just seeing how it fits so I can cut these ear tabs.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
I tried to be cute and cut the lace while the wig was still on my head, but it was just a no-go. Like, no, I didn't glue it down or anything, so I just ripped it right off my head and continued to cut it because it was just too much. Like, I couldn't hardly see. I don't see how, like, they be doing it. But still, you want to make sure you cut in zigzag motions so it won't be like a straight line across. Because we do have a frontal, so you can wear it however you really want. Just make sure it don't look wiggy. Now I'm putting it back on my head to see where we can go. Now, I'm still using the Got2b glue spray to lay down my wig. I told you I'm the type of person who likes to take my wigs off. So I'm just going to be using that to lay down my lace.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You want to get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't want to say.
Now, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I had to take a little break from here. I was getting tired. So I let this sit for about 30 minutes or so. And then while it was sitting for a little bit, I started to actually style my hair. So I wanted to straighten it, but first I want to do the side part with a curve. It's so cute to me.
Try to come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad.
We want everything flat, so we will be using the hot comb and the edge wax stick. The edge wax stick I got from Amazon, and we're going to be laying down each part. So I break this side part up into sections so they can lay down flat. As you can see, I'm just breaking up a little bit of section, pulling it down, wrapping the other hair back up, and then using the wax stick and the hot comb. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you want your wigs to be like flat, I suggest this step because this will help you get it flat, especially if it's like a bulky wig.
You want to get with me, stop. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You my heart, this can't be the first time. We my heart. Somebody but love for the moon flight.
for the big reveal. Okay, not too shabby. But we're going to be putting the same powder that we used earlier on the lace, just on the hairline. Now we're on to baby hairs. I wanted to do the side swoop baby hairs. I thought it was so cute and it's befitting for this hairstyle. But nobody talks about like how hard it is to do baby hairs. But I'm just plucking the baby hairs to make sure it's extra thin. I'm using a small razor to cut them. And I'm going to be using mousse to lay down my baby hairs. Took everything in me to lay down this little piece of hair, this little piece of lace that I'm dealing with right now. Y'all, I sprayed Got to Be glue spray on it like 2 times already. This is about the 3rd time. So I'm going to be spraying that down. I'm going to take my little edge band. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit and let it marinate. Hopefully this will be the last time we do this. But them side baby hairs, the side of the wigs be sticking up and it be getting on my nerves. I didn't want to do a side baby hair. Just took some hair from the side, brung it down and cut it a little bit, curled just like that. I don't know. I felt very 90s when I did that. I don't know why I did it. I just didn't want a regular baby hair. But we're going for a deep side part swoop hairstyle with curly ends. So that's me doing a swoop. Now this hair is very easy to work with. Like I really do like this wig. It wasn't bad trying to get this style together. It was just that the lace was just hard to lace because of me. But yeah. So I use 2 bobby pins to secure it. And then I'm going to be touching up the hair, curling the ends, making sure it looks presentable. This is going to be the final look. I would like to thank you guys for watching and tuning in today. Thank you guys for coming on over. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.